because today we're drawing something super fun and totally adorable! My today's drawing is a cup! Oh wow! It's cool, sporty, and ready for adventure! So grab your black marker and let's get started! Let's begin with the outline. Don't worry, just follow along with me step by step. Draw the first shape. Now, at this curve here. Great job! You're doing amazing! Who knew drawing could be this much fun, huh? Now, let's finish the rest of the shapes and details. Take your time, little artist. We're not in a race. There you go! Our outline is ready! Now comes the fun part. Let's go over the lines to make them bold and bright. Use your marker and trace slowly. Steady hands and proud hearts. It's coloring time! Are you ready to bring your art to life? Green color, like fresh grass on a spring day. Wow, look how cool your drawing looks already! Blue color, like the sky on a clear morning. Slow and smooth. Ooh, look at those colors shine! It's looking better than ever! Yellow color, so sunny and happy. Red color, la la la, so bright, amber.
Nice.
Subscribe to Chinki Drawing Arts for more fun and easy drawings. And you did it! Just look at your drawing. It's bright, it's bold, and it's beautiful. Just like you. Give yourself a high five. You worked so hard, and it totally shows. Before we go, don't forget to share your artwork with someone you love. Make them smile today. And hit that thumbs up if you had fun drawing with me. See you soon, little artists. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep shining. Bye-bye.